Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasia Begum. My class is third A. Be from sentence. This is a moon. This was a moon. This will be a moon. This can be a moon. This may be a moon. This is a mat. This was a mat. This will be a mat. This can be a mat. This may be a mat. This is a mouse. This was a mouse. This will be a mouse. This can be a mouse. This may be a mouse. This is a monkey. This was a monkey. This was a monkey. This will be a monkey. This can be a monkey. This may be a monkey. This hour. This hour. This was a hour. This will be a hour. This can be a hour. This may be a hour. This is a food. This was a food. This will be a food. This can be a food. This may be a food. This is a milk. This was a milk. This will be a milk. This can be a milk. This may be a milk. This is a butter. This was a butter. This will be a butter. This can be a butter. This may be a butter. This is a rice. This was a rice. This will be a rice. This can be a rice. This may be a rice. This is a meat. This was a meat. This will be a meat. This can be a meat. This may be a meat. This is a chapati. This was a chapati. This will be a chapati. This can be a chapati. This may be a chapati. This is a fruit. This was a fruit. This will be a fruit. This may be a fruit. This is a sweet. This was a sweet. This will be a sweet. This can be a sweet. This may be a sweet. This is an animal. This was an animal. This will be a animal. This may be animal. This is a giraffe. This was a giraffe. This will be a giraffe. This can be a giraffe. This may be a giraffe. This is a fox. This is a fox. This was a fox. This will be a fox. This can be a fox. This may be a fox. This is a vegetable. This was a vegetable. This will be a vegetable. This can be a vegetable. This may be a vegetable. This is a tiger. This was a tiger. This will be a tiger. This can be a tiger. This may be a tiger. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This was a zebra. This will be a zebra. This can be a zebra. This may be a zebra. This is a bear. This was a bear. This will be a bear. This can be a bear. This may be a bear. This is a deer. This was a deer. This will be a deer. This can be a wheel. This may be a wheel. This is an elephant. This was an elephant. This was an elephant. This will be a elephant. This can be a elephant. This may be a elephant. This is a forest. This is a forest. This was a forest. This will be a forest. This can be a forest. This may be a forest. This is a ass. This was a ass. This will be a ass. This can be a vase. This may be a vase. This is a ship. This was a ship. This will be a sheep. This can be a sheep. This may be a sheep. This is a cow. This was a cow. This will be a cow. This can be a cow. This may be a cow. This is a buffalo. This was a buffalo. This will be a buffalo. This can be a buffalo. This may be a buffalo. This is a goat. This was a goat. This will be a goat. This can be a goat. This may be a goat. This is a dog. This was a dog. This will be a dog. This can be a dog. This may be a dog. This is a cat. This was a cat. This will be a cat. This can be a cat. This may be a cat. This is a tame. This was a tame. This will be a tame. This can be a tame. This may be a tame. This is a spring roll. This is a parrot. This was a parrot. This will be a parrot. This can be a parrot. This may be a parrot. This may be a parrot. This is a peacock. This was a peacock. This will be a peacock. This can be a peacock. This may be peacock. This is a hen. This was a hen. This will be a hen. This can be a hen. This may be a hen. This is a crow. This was a crow. This will be a crow. This can be a crow. This may be a crow. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. This was a pigeon. This will be a pigeon. This can be a pigeon. This may be a pigeon. This is a intrux. This was a intrux. This will be a intrux. This can be a intrux. This may be a intrux. This a bee. This was a bee. This will be a bee. This can be a bee. This may be a bee. This is a mosquito. This is a butterfly. This was a butterfly. This will be a butterfly. This can be a butterfly. This may be a butterfly. This is a ant. This was a ant. This will be a ant. This can be a ant. This may be a ant. This is a housefly. This was a housefly. This was a housefly. This will be a housefly. This can be a housefly. This may be a housefly. This is a mosquito. This was a mosquito. This will be a mosquito. This can be a mosquito. This may be a mosquito. This is a net. This was a net. This will be a net. This can be a net. This may be a net. This is a nib. This was a nib. This will be a nib. This can be a nib. This may be a nib. This is a nail. This was a nail. This will be a nail. This can be a nail. This may be a nail. This is a oil. This was a oil. This will be a oil. This can be a oil. This may be a oil. This is a ox. This was a ox. This will be a ox. This can be a ox. This may be a ox. This is a pot. This was a pot. This will be a pot. This can be a pot. This may be a pot. This is a pen. This was a pen. This will be a pen. This can be a pen. This may be a pen. This is a puppy. This was a puppy. This was a puppy. This will be a puppy. This can be a puppy. This may be a puppy. This is a peacock. This was a peacock. This will be a peacock. This can be a peacock. This may be a peacock. This is a rat. This was a rat. This will be a rat. This can be a rat. This may be a rat. This is a rat. This is a red. This red. This is a red. This was a red. This will be a red. This can be a red. This may be a red. This is a rabbit. This was a rabbit. This was a rabbit. This will be a rabbit. This can be a rabbit. This may be a rabbit. Thank you.